Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I am getting ready to do a couple of drawings, and I had two requests to do one a T-Rex and to do another, which was the unicorn. So let's start off first with the T-Rex. And I'm going to draw with a Sharpie because it'll show up a little bit better. And you can use a pencil if you'd like, or if you don't have a pencil, use a pen. You can also go back over your lines, because that's what I'm going to do. Since I can't really erase with this, I'm just going to rough in all my shapes and then I'm going to finish it up, okay? So to start off with, I'm going to do kind of like an oval here, and then I'm going to do a square, and then I'm going to do another bigger oval right here, okay? And then I'm going to do right about here a curve. That's going to be the tail. Now right here, I'm going to do kind of a circle and a bigger circle right here. Okay. Now coming off of both of these circles, the one up top and the one at the bottom, I'm going to come straight down with a rectangle. Just like that. And you don't even have to do the top line of it. And that's going to be his front leg, this is going to be his back leg. You're going to come straight off of that with another line, and another line below that. You're going to come off and make two other rectangles, just like this. Okay? And then above that, a rectangle, and then above this one, another rectangle. See? Off of the top two, do 2 points, like two long, skinny triangles. I'm going to do 3 down here, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. See? That's going to be his, like, claws. Now, right about here, I'm going to do a dot for his eye, a dot for his nose. Now, these are all the rough shapes that we use to put it together to make the T-Rex. Now, I'm going to come in, and if I was going to try to finish this out, and I'm going to do it kind of quick, and I'm going to show you what I come up with. Now on some of these lines, you'll start seeing where you don't really have to have the complete shape on there, like that rectangle. You can erase some of it because remember, this is his leg. So some of that's going to be erased. And you can smooth out some of the lines, okay? So when you get done, it's gonna look similar to this right here. Now, what's very important to remember is your T-Rex is gonna look like your T-Rex, and that's perfect, okay? Now, I am going to add a couple of things in the background. And what you can do is, on this, put things like behind it. It'll make your drawing that much better. I'm going to do some big mountains back here. And like I did on the other one, we'll draw just some mountains. We'll do some trees. Okay? We'll do... let's see, I'm going to do some water coming out. And if you do that water, just remember it's going to get wider towards the bottom of the paper, okay? So see what you can come up with on this one. And there's your T-Rex, all right? So let's do the next one, which will be the unicorn. I'm going to do a very light circle like this, okay? And then I'm going to come in, I'm going to get a rectangle, but I'm going to kind of smash in the front of it, okay? See how I did that? Okay? And then I'm going to do a triangle about right there. Now, and right about here, you can do a mark about like that. And now, the old horn. And you can make lines on the horn if you'd like to. And all those are these little squigglies like that, see? Okay, so now those are your basic shapes, see? All right, now check this out. I'm gonna add a little bit of the mane up here and back here. And remember, even though I have all these shapes like this, if you're using a pencil, you can erase some of the ones that you're not gonna, be using. Me, I can't right now because, like I said, I'm using the Sharpie. Okay, so that's going to be your unicorn. Now you notice that that circle is right about here, you see? And that's going to kind of give you a sense of where this and this meet up, okay? And you can color this in if you'd like to. And that's going to be your unicorn. All right? There you go.